In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Booking.com account. If you've decided that it's time to part ways with Booking.com, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, it's important to note that performing this task on a desktop or laptop generally yields better results than attempting it on a mobile device due to easier navigation and a fuller view of the website's features. To begin, you'll need to log into your Booking.com account. Head over to the website and make sure you enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which contains various options related to your profile and bookings. Your next step is to navigate to your profile settings. To do this, look towards the top right corner of the page where you should see your avatar or profile name. Click on this area, and you should see a drop-down menu appear. From here, select Manage Profile, or you might see it referred to as Account Settings. Clicking this will take you to a more detailed view of your profile options. Once you're in the profile settings, you're going to want to pay attention to sections that are generally associated with account details such as security, privacy, and account preferences. These sections are often where the option to delete or close an account is located. Now, start by looking for anything resembling a delete account or close account option. On some websites, such options might appear directly under the privacy or data management sections. On others, it may be nested further under areas such as account preferences or security. You'll need to carefully explore these areas to find the exact option, as menu item labels can vary slightly from time to time or if there have been recent updates. If you do find the Delete My Account option, this is the point where you'll need to follow the on-screen instructions provided. These instructions typically involve confirming your desire to delete the account and may require you to input your password again for security purposes. Be aware that once you've completed this step, your account, including any saved data or active bookings, may be permanently removed. Thus, I advise ensuring that this is the right decision for you. By following these steps, you should successfully be able to delete your Booking.com account. Patience and attention to detail are key, as menus can sometimes be nested, but by methodically exploring the sections we discussed, you're well on your way to accomplishing this task. I hope this guide has been helpful, and thank you for watching.